Main causes of breast cancer is being a woman, naturally, right? So, but really more importantly, it's the strongest risk factors for breast cancers are having a family history or having a genetic mutations. Other risk factors include having your period early, ending your period late. Obesity has been associated with breast cancer. Alcohol has been associated with breast cancer. These are the main reason. It typically starts with a small area of cells that are abnormal, and they develop and get bigger in the breast, often making a lump. That's the first sign that someone sees, is having a lump or an abnormalities on an X-ray called the mammogram. As we know that obesity is linked to breast cancer, whether stress is or not, but you know, stress is never good in life. Surely cannot be good for cancer. The best way to figure out whether you have breast cancer is doing early screening, and that's a mammogram or an ultrasound or an MRI. Self-exam typically only detects breast cancer when it already has spread or has become bigger. So what our campaign is actually about is like to get women to do early detection by going for a mammogram. The campaign is a month long. October is breast cancer month, and of course we want to be focused on breast cancer for this month. However, Zulika Hospital really offers free mammogram to the end of the year. And we really hope that every woman in this country takes the opportunity, comes for free mammograms. Let us worry about how we handle the masses, but if everyone comes, then we'll be happy. We actually have seen amazing responses from the first year when I came, when it was very clear that most women had not really quite understood even the concept of breast cancer screening. To in 2014 we did 800 mammograms in response to the campaign. Last year we did 1,500, and honestly I'm hoping we're going to reach 5,000 this year. Actually, the family history is one of the highest risk for breast cancer. Having a strong family history means like you have a 20-fold increase in breast cancer. So that is really an important part. If someone has relatives who died from breast cancer or were diagnosed young, these are the women we really want to screen early.
Well, certainly all women are at risk for breast cancer. It's naive of all of us to think that because we're in our 20s or 30s, we may not be at risk. And one of the core groups that we're targeting in this campaign are women, younger women in their 20s and 30s, because not only are they at risk for breast cancer, but many younger women are also recipients of what we call a BRCA mutation and may not even know it. And this is something that they may realize in consultation as they sit down with someone at Zulika Hospital and they go over their family history. They may discover a potential need to test for the BRCA mutation. So certainly no one is immune to breast cancer. Any women at any age is potentially at risk for either a BRCA mutation or eventually potentially breast cancer. Now, as far as mammograms go, without a significant family history, it's recommended that women consider starting screening with mammography in around the age of 40. Those with a family history or a strong family history, so those women with potentially a first-degree relative, a mother, an aunt, a sister with breast cancer should start screening at a younger age, potentially in their 30s. But really, all women should be at least thinking about this, about the risk of breast cancer, and women in their 20s and 30s, if nothing else, should be performing self-breast examinations. Well, certainly breast cancer can be fatal if it progresses beyond the point where it can be treated. And again, that's why we're campaigning for public awareness and education here in the UAE among all women, and encouraging all women to start routine screening with mammograms. And this month is as good as a month as any to start that.